Bad credit can feel like a roadblock, especially when it comes to securing the funds you need. But don't worry, having bad credit doesn't mean you're out of options. Private lenders can offer a lifeline, providing financial opportunities even when traditional banks won't. Unlike banks, private lenders often have more flexible criteria. They evaluate the full picture, considering factors beyond just your credit score. This means they might be more willing to work with you if you can demonstrate reliability in other ways, such as consistent income or valuable assets. Private lenders also typically offer faster approval processes. Since they aren't bound by the same regulations as banks, they can move quickly. This can be a game changer if you need funds urgently for unexpected expenses or to seize a time-sensitive opportunity. While private lenders can be a viable option, it's crucial to do your homework. Interest rates can be higher than traditional loans, so it's important to compare different offers and read the fine print. Understanding the terms fully helps in avoiding any hidden fees or unfavorable conditions. Building a relationship with a lender can also be beneficial. By establishing trust and a history of timely repayments, you might secure better terms in the future. Open communication is key, so don't hesitate to discuss your financial situation openly. Lastly, consider the long-term impact of taking a loan with bad credit. Use it as a stepping stone to improve your financial standing. Make sure any loan you take fits within a realistic repayment plan. Remember, the goal is not only to access funds, but to also work towards rebuilding your credit. In conclusion, having bad credit doesn't shut you out of funding options. Private lenders can provide the support you need to navigate financial challenges. With careful consideration and strategic planning, you can make the most of these opportunities, turning a tough situation into a pathway for financial recovery and growth. Tap the link below. Fill out the 2-minute form. I'll find your options, free.